Hello dear students, welcome to your English period, and today we are going to understand the poem Fire and Ice. This poem is composed by Robert Frost. About the poet Robert Frost we have understood already in our previous poem Dust and Snow. So today we are going to start Fire and Ice. So first of all we should understand the title of the poem Fire and Ice, why the name Fire and Ice is kept here, and what is the meaning of fire and ice. Here fire means emotions, desire, want, passion, such as things. Fire means not a fire that we see burning like things. As we can see that meaning of fire and ice already written here. Ice means coldness, dryness, hatred, these things. So why these names are kept here and what are the uses? By keeping these two names opposite of each other, what poet wants to tell us, what is the feeling behind to keep this title, and by his poem what does poet want to make us understand. These all things we are going to understand in this poem Fire and Ice. So dear students, in this poem poet Robert Frost discussed about the destruction of world, how the world will be destructed or destroyed. As we can see the first line, first stanza, some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. In the first stanza, poet explains the opinion of people. What people say? People say that the world will end in fire. Means already we have understood the meaning of fire means desire, passions, want. The world will be finished because of the desire of people, the wants of people, and the passion of peoples. But some say in ice, but some people say that the world will be finished because of ice. Ice meaning here hatred inside the people. So the world will be finished because of the hatred inside the people. Some people say like this. But these both opinion of the people, what is the opinion of poet here? Now see the fourth line, I hold with those who favor fire. And poet's opinion is that poet is with the people those who favor fire. Means poet agrees with fire, means with desire. Poet tells that the world will be finished because of desire, because of wants, passions. Now let's see the second stanza. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of it to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Here in second stanza, poet again wants to put his views that if the world had to perish twice, perish means die, twice second time, means if the world dies second times, means once time already about the dying of world poet has explained, but if repeats again second time, then poet thinks that he knows very well enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. That hatred inside the people is enough for destroying the world. Means the second stanza, poet tells us that if the world dies second time, then the ice means the hatred inside the people is enough to destroy the world. So dear students, I hope you understood each and everything, the views of people and opinion and view of poet. That first poet has explained about the opinions of the pupil, and here in this poem two opposite words are compared, fire and ice, but both are enough to destroy the world. In our next video we will understand about the poetic devices, literary rhyming scheme and etc.